Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today big update is about the Iran war. US President Donald Trump has claimed that a new deal with Tehran has been approved. Because of this, he says the United States has cancelled planned military strike against Iran. According to Trump, peace talks have made major progress and a formula agreement could even be signed soon in Europe. He said that the final details are being discussed and both sides are closer to reaching an understanding. This announcement came as a surprise because tension in the Middle East has been extremely higher in recent days. Early the conflict has inserted after attack and counterattack involving the United States and Iran. The situation had raised fear of much larger regional war. Trump said that instead of launching new attack diplomacy should be given a chance. He described the possible agreement as a great deal that could bring stability back to the region. However, Iran has responded continuously. Iranian officials said that no final decision has made yet. They explained that discussions are still ongoing and some important issues remain unresolved. This means that while progress may have been made, this deal is not officially complete. One of the biggest concerns is the state of Hormuz, a vital shipping route through which a large portion of world oil passes. If the agreement succeeds, this important waterway could reopen fully, or helping global trade and reducing pressure on oil prices. Financial markets reacted positively to Trump announcement. Stock markets moved higher and oil prices fell as investors hoped that the threat of wider was decreasing. Still, experts warn that the situation remains fragile until both countries officially sign an agreement. The risk of renewed conflict can be ruled out. For now, the world is watching closely to see whether these talks lead to lasting peace or whether tension rise again. What do you think? Will this deal finally end the crisis or